We are using a matte bathroom floor. I'm just removing any dust so you can see that this is really dirt. Now a matte tile absorbs, it doesn't absorb, it grabs onto all of the, I'm going to say the grime, the foot marks, the whatever. It just holds onto it, making it really hard to release. Now, when I spray shine, now I do this by hand because my bathroom isn't too big and I do it while I'm getting out of the shower, so it's nice and fast. I can use a steam mop, definitely. I can use a normal mop, definitely, but this is just easy. I can pick up the dust at the same time. It just works out easy. So what I want you to take notice of is I'm only cleaning the same area once, except for the little piece of concrete that was just there. Now I'm doing the silicone. But you would have been able to see the marks just come straight off, and I was being very gentle. So I wanted you to see that in the way that I was wiping it. Watch it again if you didn't quite get that. Very gentle. Now I'm just removing the product. We don't want any more product on the tile. No product, no residue, no dirt, and no dust. And the microfibers are great because they hold on to the dirt, which is even better. And then I just wipe it dry so there's no streak. I do this once a week, twice a week. It's just easy. If you can bend down, it's easy. If it's not, you need the magic tool we've got.